slap this kid.
What do you mean? You're gonna slap. You're gonna slap.
We're gonna slap. Yeah, we're gonna clap him. Oh, what the heck? Oh, he's on the tower. He's above you.
Yeah, see.
What the? Okay.
Bro, I cannot get killed, bro. I cannot get killed. What is going on, mate?
You okay, bro?
Man, here's a sweeter or something. Oh, this game.
Whoa, brother, chillax.
Bro, why can I not get killed?
John raging.
Where is he? Oh, he's flying.
He's on
He's on the plane. No, he's on.
Bro, why can I not get killed?
Easy pickings. Oh my god.
Oh, he's down there.
Why did you?
Bro, no.
That party, that was. Bro, can you actually?
Oh my gosh, how did I hit those?
Oh, you guys backstab. That was unfair. I was AFK.
Code.
What?
He's flying in the palmies. No, he's right there.
Hit him 30. Oh, you kidding me?
I got kills for days. Party, if you backstab me.
What? He's 1 HP. He's oh my god.
1 HP, jeez. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Hacker.
Bro, where are you?
Bruh.
Easy
Are you?
Oh my goodness.
No.
No, nah. Tower.
Are you?
Oh. Did you just rage quit?
No, his server probably updated.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
upgraded, bruh.
I feel like
You just upgrade for me. Are you kidding me? After this game.
Alright.
John, this is for you. I'm gonna win this.
Yeah, please win
Yeah.
this. Because it just upgrade
Yeah.
server. Wow, unbelievable,
You
Mike.
think you're good, bro?
It's happening. Yeah.
You think
I'm
you're good?
confident.
I ran out of
Hey guys, I went Africa a week ago.
No, you didn't. There's no area now.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, no way, bro.
Oh,
No way.
You want to see the picture? Look, I went to Africa a week ago.
Let me knife you or die.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, what kind of shot was that?